From NBC News World Headquarters in New York, this is NBC Nightly News with Tom Brokaw.
In depth tonight, finger-pointing, but no clear answers in the investigation into that deadly nightclub fire in Westworick, Rhode Island. There is a vigil scheduled to get underway to remember the 97 people who lost their lives, the second memorial of the day. But amid the memorials and grief, investigators are asking hard questions. They claim they're not getting the answers they need to pinpoint exactly who or what was to blame. NBC's Cantanea reports tonight.
The memorial's both impromptu and elaborate. Tonight, the first official remembrance of Rhode Island's victims. With residents here focused on their sadness, state officials focused on the cause, deploying 200 fire inspectors to assess nightclub safety. The Rhode Island investigation apparently being hampered by what police call an unwillingness to cooperate. While one of the club's owners, Jeff Drederian, has defended the club in public, officials say his brother Michael refuses to answer questions.
Obviously, we're devastated by what's happened here. We want to cooperate in any way we can, provide any information we can.
Rhode Island Attorney General Patrick Lynch.
I remain hopeful that they will cooperate, both Jeffrey and Michael, with the law enforcement agencies as much as they've cooperated with the press.
The probe is now zeroing in on acoustic foam similar to this. Samples of it were recovered from inside the club. In some cases, it's so flammable, experts compare it to gasoline. But there's no mention of the foam in the station nightclub's fire inspection report from November of last year, even though inspectors spotted other troubles, like faulty exit doors, problems that were later fixed.
If your question is, did we miss something in an examination or an inspection, yeah, we're going to look at that.
That may not be enough to fend off victims' attorneys, now planning a host of lawsuits.
It could be the manufacturers of the soundproofing. It could be the manufacturers of the pyrotechnics that were used. It could be the city.
A growing mix of legal battles against a backdrop of grief. Carl Cantanea, NBC News, Westworick, Rhode Island.